Hello, greetings, and welcome on board to the VC Mathematics Department Faculty Hub. This Faculty Hub is created on a Canvas shell, and the purpose of this video is just to introduce you to how this shell will work and also how to navigate through the shell to access resources or to provide some feedback about the resources. So let's move on and let's go to our home page. So this home page you see here, we have Ventura College Mathematics Faculty Hub, and we have a nice image here of teamwork, I guess, and we have here coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. So the reason we add that there is because yes, we can use this shell to store a large amount of resources, but we can also communicate with each other very easily through this Canvas shell if you choose to use it. And I will show you how we do that today. Okay, now if you go scroll down a little bit here, it says click on tile and enjoy the resources created by our department. This repository is ever growing, so feel free to add any content you believe will be useful for our colleagues. So this Canvas page can be updated weekly, semesterly, yearly, however often we need. And it's also designed to be convenient to navigate through. So every resource here is at most 3 clicks away. Okay, so here we have all the tiles here. We have student resources, growth mindset, and then we have a tile for most of the courses here. So don't panic if you don't see one of your courses here. It can easily be added as we go. This is more or less our first rough draft of our new homepage, and we can build on it as we go. But for example, let's say, I want to see what student resources are available to my students. So if you click on this here, you see I'll download a file directly, and this is what we have here. So if you look at this file here, it says student resources for your classroom. On the left hand side we have must-have contacts, so campus police, student help, LRC division center, and then here we have student resources for your classroom, so as a list of tutoring center, PALS, EAC, Pirates Cove, Mesa, and also you can click on these links here to send a direct email there if you wish to set up an appointment or to contact a representative of any of these resources that are available on campus. And of course we have a couple of math faculty links which you can add on here, but it's just some helpful links that you can find on our department's website that our faculty have uploaded here. But this file here you can easily download and include it as a file available for your students, or maybe keep it for yourself. Okay. Now for the courses that we have here, let's say, hey, I'm going to be teaching V14, so I want to see what's available for V14. So we can click here on V14. Okay, so here, so this is the Math V14 Hub. Each course will have its own, we'll call it hub, but it'll have a page that looks like this, and it'll be broken down into, course planning and class activities worksheets, outside class activities worksheets, projects, and there'll also be a feedback section for each page. But just to show you how this works is that, okay, let's say you're going down here and you're looking for in-class activities and worksheets for your V14 class. Well, you can click on any of these and it'll give you a file which you can easily follow. And you can also click here on one of these. So this is a file that we have here, and you'll see what we have here is we have this here. Okay, so these are a lot of activities here. If you click on these links here, they will take you to a video that explain the problem, and so you can click on any of these here. And then also there are other types of activities here. This is from on-course best practices, but you can click on any of these links here and see the video and hopefully share this in your classroom. The other type of link that we have, it may link you to a folder file that's in Canvas. So for here we have PowerPoint files for V14, so you can imagine a lot of PowerPoint files on hand. So if you click here, it'll take you to our files folder, but it'll take you to the exact folder where the PowerPoints are. So if you see here, there's, you know, lesson 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, all the way down here, lesson 10. So there's a lot of files here that are saved here. So you can easily click on these and download them to your computer and take them into your next class. Okay. So that's a brief rundown. And if we go here, so the one other thing is, yeah, you can click on any of these. It may take you to a file or to a folder. And also there's a feedback section here. So each of the course hubs will have a feedback section. So this feedback here, I mean, yeah, you can, if something is not working or the link is not showing the way it should, then you can easily leave a response here. Instead of finding, well, who do I contact for this, you could just click on this link here and it'll take you to a discussion. Okay, but this thing is also designed to share any ideas or any resources, or to get any discussion going on any ideas that you may have. So if you click here on the link here, it'll take you to the discussion. So it says leave comments, questions, or ideas here. This is a very easy and effective way to communicate with your math league colleagues. Content will be visible to all math faculty. So this is a discussion forum, so everyone in the math department will see what you post here, and they'll also be able to interact with you. Okay, so much like our very own Facebook page, I guess you could say. Okay, but you can go here and click reply, and you could type in whatever you like here. You could say, howdy y'all, I am enjoying the resources provided here. I want to create a question bank for quizzes in Canvas. Is anyone interested in helping me out this summer? And of course they're going to know it's from you, but you can include here. So even you can include insert media, you can insert a link to a web page, you can insert an image, you can insert a YouTube video, maybe something we should look at, and then all you have to do here is hit post reply. And you can also attach documents from your computer and then just post reply here. So if there's anything you want to share, you can post here directly and it's done. Okay, so let's go back to the home page here. Okay, so this is just the gist of our Canvas shell. This is a first introductory video. I will make another video soon once we add more files to this. I hope you all are having a good summer. Bye bye.